In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a freelance portfolio in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean professional space to introduce yourself, showcase your work, and make it easy for clients to get in touch. First, pick a pre-built template for a head start. Templates are great because they offer a polished structure you can customize. Give your page a clear title and a short tagline, like your role or specialty, so visitors immediately know what you do. Next, add your personal details under a Who I Am section. Keep the bio brief and focused on who you help, the problems you solve, and the results you are known for. Add a professional photo and include your role or niche. Aim for clarity and confidence and avoid long paragraphs. Think of this as the quick introduction you'd give in a meeting. Now, showcase your work with a gallery view database. Create a gallery where each card represents a project. Add a strong cover image, a concise description, your role, tools used, and a few key metrics or outcomes. Numbers speak loudly, so highlight results like time saved, conversion lifts, or revenue impact. Inside each project page, include a short case study with context, the challenge, your process, and the outcome. Tag projects by service or industry so clients can filter what matters to them. Structure the rest of your content clearly. In a services section, list exactly what you offer in plain language. Under testimonials, add client quotes that emphasize outcomes and professionalism. Keep them short and specific. Then, create a contact or call to action area with your social links and a book a call button. You can connect a scheduling tool like Calendly so prospects can pick a time without back and forth messages. Place this button near the top and bottom to make it easy to find. Customize the design to feel modern and consistent. Add a relevant cover photo, set distinctive icons for your pages, and use columns to create a tidy, scannable layout. Keep spacing generous, headings consistent, and colors subtle so your work remains the focus. A simple, cohesive style conveys professionalism. When you are ready to share, publish your portfolio to the web. Click Share. Open the Publish tab and select Publish to Web. Notion will generate a public link you can send to clients or add to your profiles. Test the link on your phone and in a private browser window to make sure everything loads and looks right. That's it, your Notion freelance portfolio is live and working for you. Thanks for watching.